Hi, my name is Alberto Mendoza. I'm an industrial engineer student. The cover, the date. This is the step for understand and negotiation. My tutor is Juan Miguel Olave. This activity the problem to negotiate biotechnological products. My name, the date, May 2022. The first problem related to the protection of intellectual property. Uh, my answer is there are not now university offices for the commercial and intellectual property developed in the same university. The second question is the problem related to the value technology. My answer is lack of economic investment to continue the developing technologies or mature intellectual property science of our mentioned factor is essential to evaluate the intellectual property. The three answer is the problem related to the negotiation. My answer is the level of technological development makes potential buyers assuming economic cost, investment risks, and um, are competitive uh, have a competitive advantage. Uh, uh, Agreement utilization, this representation and distribution of a novel final products. Advantage. The percentage of profit reality is directionally proportional of profit or competitive advantage obtained by using the intellectual property. The disadvantage if new technology is not efficient, the economic benefits will be the minimal or nothing. The three recommendation is the first is make business alliance with university to implement new technologies at a lower cost and allow their development. The second recommendation is manage economic and commercial support to perfect technology has been developed. And the third recommendation is encourage the creation of office for the adequacy and commercialization of intellectual property. Thank you.